Hi, I'm Abby with Vitamins Hair Cosmetics. Here at Vitamins Hair Cosmetics, we've been making premium, high-quality, cruelty-free hair care products since 1943.
This is our Keratin hair mask for dry and damaged, thin, fine hair. It is a professional, salon-quality, deep conditioner enriched with a unique, intensive formula.
It is specifically designed to deeply condition, hydrate, strengthen, and rejuvenate dry, damaged, or dull hair to become soft, smooth, and healthy with a rich, shiny appearance. At Vitamins Hair Cosmetics, we understand that there are different hair types, and each hair type needs its own unique, specialized treatment. This deeply moisturizing and revitalizing delicate hair care treatment has proven results and does not weigh down your fine hair as other hair masks and conditioners do.
Simply apply a half palm-sized quantity all over the hair with emphasis on the ends after shampooing. Massage in thoroughly, wrap in a towel for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse out. Wait till you see what happens.
The results will absolutely leave you with a smile. As you can see, your hair will look and feel hydrated and healthy with a wonderful, refreshing, gentle smell and a beautiful shine that even others will notice. Keep yourself looking and feeling your best with this luxurious keratin hair mask for fine to normal hair from Vitamins Hair Cosmetics.